Pressing recording on this thing is the hardest thing ever. If you think in this video that, oh okay, that's the dumbest thing that I've ever purchased, you haven't seen one of the unboxing videos I was supposed to record, and that was a smart trash can. Yeah, that one's coming at some point. It's called Hydrate Spark Steel, and it connects with your phone and with your watch, and it gives you reminders to drink water. How will I go through this video without sounding like an utter flipping idiot? I have no idea, but let's unbox. Will I use a real unboxing knife? Fuck no. Will I use the trusty IKEA knife? So, let's see this pepperoni. What the? Buka. Oh, we got a little buka. Oh, buka means open. Located inside. Does this have a charger? Of course it has a charger. Is it crazier than a smart trash can? I have no idea. But this is the magnetic charger for my water bottle. Let's see how this pepperoni looks like. Alright, are you ready? I'm not ready. Okay, that was... I'm sorry, it's like... Okay, we don't need this box anymore. This is the... I mean, this motherfucker is around 70 euros. So I wanted to say that the quality of this is actually, you know, like for a water bottle is like really good. But when I think about the price, it better be fucking good for the price. No, seriously, like the build material and stuff, you can do this all day long. I mean, I don't know why would you do this with a water bottle, especially when there's a monitor so close to you. But it seems sturdy. I like that. I don't like flimsy water bottles. All right, let's see how do I put water in this thing. That's the dumbest thing I've ever asked. I have no fucking... there's a little thing. Well, I just realized that I won't be able to demonstrate. There goes the straw. People said online, like I don't trust people online nowadays. They said that this plastic thing, the quality is like really bad and it's really flimsy and it's made from a bad material. It's actually very sturdy and it's actually like high quality plastic. As much as I understand plastic, this is high quality plastic. With the instructions inside, that makes sense. These ones, it says here in Korean, you are a flipping idiot for spending this much money on a water bottle. At the end of the day, it's a water bottle and you're still gonna forget to drink water. Greetings, the company that you just made rich. Thank you, company. The smart part of the water bottle is this puppy. And in order to pull it out, you need to, they said to flip it around and turn it on. Turn it, okay, it's like, you can see it. So this is the smart part, and this is basically is the part that measures the amount of water, and this is the part that you charge magnetically. Bloop. There you go. You charge this, you charge it once per week, I think, and then your water bottle is charged. And what I mean, like you can still drink water if it's not charged. The entire idea is this bottom thing is glowing when you haven't drank water in a while. First things first, this charging mechanism is... It's glowing. Hello. But it's glowing like it's charging. It's not completely charged. Download the app. That's what I'm talking about. Where's the goddamn app? I'm downloading an app for my smart water bottle. That is crazy. What is it called? Hydrate Spark. Searching for bottle. Caution, do not open or short circuit. Do not expose to flame or heat. Well, I shouldn't expose it to these videos because they're fire. Sorry for that. Place the bottle near the device. So, well, like it's not using. Okay, it says found bottle, connecting to bottle, pairing with. Okay, it wants to know my location. Why the fuck would my smart water bottle want to spy on me? Okay, allow while using app. You don't need my. Where did you get your bottle? Amazon. Stop. It's asking too many questions for a freaking water bottle. I know that I just charged this and I got 17,000 notifications about drinking water, but I was like, maybe I got one now. Literally got one now, saying you should hydrate and whatever. Shut up. So what I have here is a pretty dumb bottle of water. Like this is your regular, you know, let me drink it. No superpowers, nothing special happened. No notifications, it doesn't say anything. Wait a second. Hey, you are a So what I'm gonna try is continue the setup. Fill your bottle to the bottom of the thread. Set it upright on a flat surface with the lid on. Huh? It's really smart. It's still not. Okay, but we're getting there. Okay, I think that's enough. I have no idea how much is enough, but Set it upright on a flat surface with the lid on. Okay. Next, wait 10 seconds. We're gonna wait. Don't touch it. It's glowing now. Do you see the glow? This one's not glowing. You pathetic asshole. You old ass. And the water is disgusting because it's not smart enough. I need smart water. Recalibrate for best results. After drinking, set the bottle on a flat surface. Oh, come on. After refilling, set the bottle on a flat surface for a few seconds. At least every day or two, bring the bottle and the app near one another to record your water intake. Seriously? What is this? Like back in the infrared days where I have to like touch it so it transfers it from... But it's using Bluetooth, so it shouldn't be this dumb. You dumbass smart bottle. Look at this. You don't need to set it anywhere. You can drink. You can set it on a flat surface or a non-flat surface. I mean, both of these are flat, but you know what I'm saying? This is dumb. Anyway, done. It says done. Oh, I can press glow. Of course it's gonna freaking glow. Oh, but I can choose colors. Glow Studio. What? Oh, you flippeting flaflos. Wow. So I paid an insane amount of money for this fucker, and in order to customize the colors, I don't know if you can see this, you probably can't because I'm an idiot, but in order to customize the colors, you need to pay. They have in-app purchases. Wow, this is next level. Well, can I use the rainbow at least? Glow. Glow in a rainbow color. Oh, okay, rainbow. You disgusting. You don't glow rainbow. Well, why do I need Glow Studio? Glow Studio is the dumbest feature I've ever seen on anything. But this is pretty cool. How can I reset my goddamn bottle? Okay, let's recalibrate you finally so I can drink from it. Wait 10 seconds. Shh. Don't disturb the button. Shut the fuck up. You're not smart. Why are you even here? Next. Fill your bottle to the bottom of the trash. Let's blah 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 blah. Let's pour exactly. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna have enough water to fill it because I'm an idiot. Will I? Yes, I have enough water. This is my water circle goal thingy, and I'm gonna try to drink from it. I have no idea why the fuck does it have a straw. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. That totally tastes like soap, and I didn't clean it properly. I don't care. I feel so much smarter. Wow. The wisdom is in the trees. I can sense the water like dropping up to here, but nothing is coming out. So at some point, probably it's gonna pour out completely and I'm gonna drown. So if these are my last words, like and subscribe. Works perfectly. Fuck the straw. So if you're planning on getting this water bottle, don't, first of all. Second, don't use the straw. Now sink. No, not the band. Just you sink. Let me try it again. I think I completed my water goal for the day by now. Wasn't it supposed to be glowing when I'm drinking? I have a... there it is, sinking. Glowing when I'm drinking, sinking, like the Titanic, I'm sinking, like a ship, I'm sinking, I just rhymed sinking. I have 1 liter of water today and god damn it, I'm gonna drink 2. Let me show you this time. Do you see this circle? Did it move? I have no fucking idea. Probably did not move. Probably I need a different camera angle. It says 1, oh, there it is. It moved a little bit. Alright, so I think, well, if you're looking for a smart and well-informative review on this bottle, I think this is the best you're gonna get on the internet, to be honest. Like, who the fuck buys a smart water bottle except me and 3 stupid people that are probably somewhere right here in the recommendations, but their videos are more scientific. They are gonna cut off the part where they almost drowned with the water bottle. They're like, and here you can put like 300 milliliters, and also the materials. I don't tell you those things, because I tell you the real shit. I'm telling you that this bottle is gonna kinda make you drown. So, I'm not going back to this, like jokes aside, I'm gonna try this for a while and probably I'm never gonna post a follow-up video on my smart water bottle. I'm gonna go and try this with whiskey now, because it probably works better, and thank you for watching the dumbest review on the internet. I'll probably see you in the next one. Bye! Oh my god, I just realized that I have like the map of South America or something that totally looks like a rat or something. Okay, see you, bye.